Are you someone looking for a career opportunity in Salesforce and really want to know that why Salesforce Vlocity Developer is the right choice for you? Then you're at the right place. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons that why being a Salesforce Vlocity Developer is the right choice and how you can explore immense number of opportunities and growth opportunities. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first reason is it allows you to stay at forefront of Salesforce. So as we know, Salesforce is a rapidly growing skill and ecosystem in tech industry. If you are a Salesforce Vlocity developer, then it gives you an edge from other Salesforce developers because you already have additional skill set which they do not have. Also, businesses nowadays wants to save their time, efforts, and they want streamlined processes. And you being a Salesforce Vlocity developer can be a part of this innovative wave. Why? Because Salesforce provides such solutions. Second reason is high demand and lucrative opportunities. As you know, Salesforce has captured the market in all the major industries, be it telecommunication, insurance, financial services, media and entertainment, energy and utilities, government, education, and whatnot. So there are a lot of opportunities, and because the skill set is very niche right now, so the demand is also high. So you being a Salesforce Vlocity developer can bridge the gap between the demand and the supply because the demand is high and the supply is low. So you can get that competitive edge by being a Salesforce Vlocity developer. Third reason is impactful work with consumer focus. Now you're building an application for a customer which is reducing its time, efforts, and streamlining its business process. So at the end, you are impacting anybody's life every day. So what could be a better thing than this? So being a Salesforce Vlocity developer, you are playing a very vital role in impacting somebody's life by reducing their efforts and streamlining their processes. This aspect brings a sense of fulfillment and motivation by seeing the impact that you are creating. Fourth reason is streamlined workload and efficient solutions. So Vlocity provides declarative approaches and tools to implement any business process. So see, now you've got declarative tools to implement anything. So your workload is comparatively lesser, and because Vlocity gives its own efficient solutions on top of Salesforce, so you are going to build it more efficient for a customer. By leveraging declarative solutions, you can save your time and efforts and focus on to some other productive thing. Last but definitely not the least, immense career growth opportunities. So as I've already explained that how Vlocity is into multiple industries and building multiple solutions on top of it. So you already know that there are a lot of growth opportunities and learning opportunities as well. So being a Salesforce Vlocity developer will definitely give you a lot of learning and growth, and it is financially rewarding as well. This profession is expected to create numerous jobs opportunities globally. So these are the reasons that I think you should choose this path and learn Salesforce Vlocity. Thank you for watching the video.